This video, we're going to take a look at all the different buttons available in your Audi A4 2012 car. So here on the driver's seat, you got the steering wheel with convenient scrolling knobs, allowing you to select audios, changing the audio, changing the mode on your car. So here, when I press on it, you change the mode to audio, to display the speed, and then you got the telephone. Using the scroll button to scroll up and down. You can also press on this knob here to make the changes. You can also change the mode by pressing on the mode button. Over here again, you got the speaker assist, and you got the navigation button, also the knob to change the selection. Here we got the headlight changes. We can set it to on, auto, so automatically switch it on or off. And then we've got the headlights and the frost light. So a number of different buttons here that you can control your light. So you got the wiper here as well. So lots of different features on your Audi car. Here we got the button for your rear mirror. So just pressing on that, you allow you to change the mirror, so you can move it back and forth and down and up. Here we can open the windows, close the window, so the driver side, passenger side, the back passenger, so you can make changes to that. Here's a button where you can lock the windows so that you cannot open it, so you can have it lock or unlock. And down here is a button to open up the boot. And over here you got your parking indicator, headlight, so back and forth headlight. Down here there is another button for cruise control, so you can use the cruise control right here. So got set speed up and down. By moving up and down you can change the speed. You can cancel by moving this back and forth to cancel it. And then you got the mind control here, auto start and stop engine, anti-skid. And then you got the parking right here, parking button, you can turn on or off. And then you got all your car settings, configuration, radio, media button, information button, the eject button for the CD-ROM. Here you got the on-off button for your radio. Here is a button for your control. So this button here allows you to change the selection on your car display system. Here you got another buttons for air conditioner. So we got air conditioner, we got the auto air conditioner, the fan speed, ventilations, internal or external ventilation, the front heater, and the rear. And then you got the on and off button here as well. So on and off, auto, on and off, aircon. So here we can use the knob to change the speed. The fan, here we can change the fan, and then you can set it off. And that's it. So that is the Audi buttons on the Audi A4 2012. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.